We continue to see the markets climb higher. Dow is right now up 533 points. We are just getting this breaking news. Hope you guys are listening here. Twitter has announced that it did see some malicious activity in relation to U.S. midterm election voting. However, the company said it was, quote, nothing out of the ordinary. They took immediate action at speed and scale. Twitter says the malicious activity was in relation to U.S. midterms. In essence, generally sharing of low volume and low reach voter suppressive content, attempting to keeping people away, Sam, from the ballots. Again, they're not making too big a deal of it. Twitter stock, for its part, is up 1.5%. But looking at the overall picture, it just doesn't seem, even with this, we are now hitting brand new session highs. We just saw the Dow go up 550 points, Sam.
Well, I think what it is implying is that the stock market likes the results of the midterm elections, and also that with this news that you just read about Twitter, that since nothing really out of the ordinary occurred, then this is news we can just say, yes, nice to know, and then throw it off to the side. So the focus really is on the fundamentals, whether corporate earnings growth is indeed topping out. Let's look to 2019. The estimate was 10% earnings increase at the beginning of this reporting period. Now it's in the low 8% area. We'll see how far down it goes.
Ashley, I have to go back to you because I know that it's always a thinner crowd at the New York Stock Exchange these days, but it's got to be buzzy to see 551 points gain after a day where the Democrats took control of the House of Representatives, which in essence hold the purse strings of the nation. Yes. The budget, anything dealing with trade, the government shutdown. They hold that key. The Senate, of course, holds the key for things like foreign relations, et cetera. But this is a really interesting reaction, isn't it?
It really is. It's, you know, we say relief rally, Liz, but there really is a sense of, thank God that's over with. Let's move on. It's pretty much what we expected. I have a fun fact for you. Since 1928, that's what, 90 years, stocks have produced an annual average return of 12% in the years that we have a Republican president and a split Congress. How about that for some optimism?
How about that? I think, yep, that's exactly what Bill Clinton had. We had a budget surplus. It was a wonderful time. We can only hope for certainly some of those aspects. Charlie Gasparino, we've got 1 minute. 1 minute to go before the closing bell rings. Dow is up 550
I don't know if
points.
I can talk that fast.
Marijuana stocks up, prison stocks down, but most of all, the whole market is floating a lot higher like a cloud.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's a relief rally, but you know, I think you do have to look at policy and see where they agree, and they agree on some stuff that's not good for stocks. I mean, and I laid it out already, particularly on trade. I mean, listen, you used to have Republicans in Congress push back against Trump on trade. Now you're going to have Democrats with the microphone. They're not going to push back as much.
Yeah. Sam Stovall, your best sector foot forward. What is it?
I think it's the international area, in particular, the industrials, technology, consumer discretionary areas, because with the Democrats now in control of the House, I think that relieves pressure on the U.S. dollar, which will actually benefit multinationals and their overseas activities.